Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Gameplay Classic. In this tutorial video, I'm going to show you how to change your name on Royal Match. If you want to change your in-game name in Royal Match, then here is how you do it. Launch open the Royal Match application on your mobile device like you normally do, and from the home page, go ahead and tap on your profile icon in the top left corner of the screen. Now you will see your profile information. Click on the pencil icon right underneath your profile picture and then go ahead and get to the pencil icon right next to your name. Now enter a new name or your username you want to change to. Remember that you can only change your username once after creating an account. So go ahead and enter a new name and click on continue. Re-enter your new name once again and click continue again. Click on yes and you have successfully changed your username on Royal Match. Your new name will be updated across the game. Now you're ready to show off your new in-game identity and take on challenges with a fresh vibe. That's it for today's video. If you liked the video, go ahead and like, share and subscribe to our channel for more Royal Match tutorials. I will be back in the next video. Stay tuned till then.